Hi guys, I'm Zhonghan and welcome to ZaTaYaYummy. Today on ZaTaYaYummy, I'll be sharing with you guys 4 different rice cooker recipes with the Tefal Xpress rice cooker. Do you know you can make so many things with just a rice cooker? And the Tefal Xpress rice cooker uses Xpress fan technology to circulate fresh air into the cavity to ensure a perfect cooking result. So to get things started, for the first recipe, I'll be sharing with you guys how to make my healthy 1-pot mixed grain fried rice. To get things started right, in your rice cooker, add in white and jasmine rice. I'll be also adding quinoa grains into the mix. Feel free to add whatever grains you like. Then, wash well, making sure to drain it at least 3 times. Transfer back into the rice cooker. Then drizzle in some vegetable oil and vegetable stock, enough to reach the measuring indicator of jasmine 2 cups in the rice cooker pot. Followed by adding in all of the vegetables into the pot. Stir nicely, then cook it using the mixed rice settings. Once the rice cooker is done, crack in an egg and throw in some spring onions. Close the lid and let it cook itself for about 10 minutes before tossing it around. Serve warm. The result is so amazing that nobody would believe that you made this in a rice cooker without actually stir frying it yourself. And the great thing about this rice cooker is that it allows you to do multi-cooking, and for the second recipe, I'll be sharing with you guys how to make my kimchi stew. Now to get things started right, preheat your rice cooker using the soup function. Drizzle in some vegetable oil and stir fry garlic, spring onion, and large chili until fragrant. Toss in onions and stir fry until the vegetable is softened. Add in your chopped kimchi and give it another stir. Combine gochujang, oyster sauce, and vegetable stock into a rice cooker. Then followed by your ingredients, enoki mushroom and tau kwa. Let it stew for about 15 minutes until the flavor comes together. Serve warm. Now the third recipe is a little bit more special. I'll be showing you guys how to make Claypot mushroom rice. So add your jasmine rice into a pot and wash for at least 3 times, removing any dirt. Toss in some ginger, garlic, and large chili. Then drizzle in Shaoxing sesame oil, dark soy sauce, and oyster sauce together before adding your vegetable stock until it reaches the measuring indicator of jasmine 2 cups in the rice cooker. Stir well. Select Claypot mode and let the rice cooker going until it starts to beep in the middle of cooking. So while your rice cooker is cooking, right, combine the ingredients together. Chopped mushroom, ham, and dark soy sauce. Today, I'm using 2 types of mushrooms, but you can use any type of mushroom that you like. Once your rice cooker has beeped, transfer the ingredients into the rice cooker and let it finish cooking in it. Once the rice cooker is done, mix well and serve warm. Get that crispy bits of burnt rice just like you will get from a traditional Claypot store. And now for the last recipe, right, I'm gonna show you guys how to make my Mapo Tofu, and it's super easy. Preheat your rice cooker using the soup function. Then stir fry some mala paste, garlic, ginger, and black bean paste until aromatic. Drizzle in some Shaoxing sesame oil, and light soy sauce. Then dilute cornstarch with some water in a separate saucer. Stir in your water and cornstarch slurry into the rice cooker pot. Then transfer your silken tofu and braise for about 5 to 10 minutes until the tofu has absorbed the color and the flavor of the stew. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy watching this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel and follow me on my Instagram page at ZaTaYaYummy. Also, check out all the printable recipes at www.thezonghan.com. And if you're interested about the Tefal Express rice cooker, I'll link the information in the description box below with the link, so be sure to check that out. And I hope to see you guys soon. Bye bye!